Maintaining a 250,000-pound dozer during remote operations can be a daunting task. Any maintenance involving track components is particularly challenging. Elevating the machine to access these components requires a system designed especially for the task. This particular system was designed specifically for D11, D10 dozers. The Enerpac lift system features a 4-point custom sync lift system for safe load control. Two separate lifting units can be easily moved into position at the opposite ends of the dozer. Each unit features two hydraulically operated jacks with motorized locking rings for user-safe operation. The third component in the system is the hydraulic power unit, which also provides storage for cable reels and hoses. A pendant control is utilized for operator mobility and safety during lifts, and a touchscreen display on the control panel allows the operator to monitor key lifting information, such as lifting height and load. The first step in the lift procedure is to test and inspect the system components to ensure an effective and safe procedure. Prior to lifting the dozer, it is also important to set up the lifting parameters in the control unit. These parameters include cylinder specifications, alarm limits, and accuracy settings. Following parameter setup, the dozer and lift site need to be prepared. Inspect the lift area to establish that there are no obstructions or other safety hazards present. It is important that the dozer and lift units are resting on a solid level surface. Select two jack stands appropriately rated for this operation and position them securely under the blade and ripper. Raise and lock the risers after contact is made. Next, the portable lifting units can be maneuvered into place at the OEM recommended lifting points. The rotating, locking caster wheels allow for easy and precise positioning of the units. In some situations, you may need to remove bolts from the belly pad to correctly position the lift jacks. After the jacks have been safely positioned and the wheels are securely locked, you can attach the hoses and unit control cables. After double-checking that the lift jacks are safely positioned, open the release valve on the Enerpac hand pump to lower the stands to the ground. You are now ready to lift the dozer. It is important to keep a safe distance from the load during the lifting procedure. Again, check the jack positions to confirm that they are aligned with the proper lift point. Operate the Enerpac dozer lift system with the pendant to safely lift the dozer. While lifting, it's important to both maintain a safe distance from the dozer and continually monitor the load. As shown, the Enerpac dozer lift has lifted this 250,000-pound dozer and locked it into place. This self-locking mechanism now permits the removal of hoses and cables so that maintenance can be safely performed. The Enerpac dozer lift is designed to lift and lower the dozer synchronously, regardless of weight distribution. It will also fit under dozers with 90% track wear and provide 3 inches of clearance on a D11. This is typically enough height to do track maintenance, but custom lift heights are also available. Lifting speed is 1.8 inches per minute, so a dozer with 90% wear can be lifted in under 10 minutes. Lifting can be paused at any point, and the system will automatically secure the load on the locking rings until the operator is ready to begin again. Even though the unit is safely locked in place, it is important that the lift operator wear proper safety gear, including helmet, safety vest, and glasses. After maintenance has been completed, the dozer can be lowered just as easily and safely as it was lifted. Just reattach the hoses and cables, check the area for obstructions or other safety hazards, and lower away. Thanks for taking a look at the Enerpac dozer lift system, the only safe and effective way to lift the dozers at your maintenance location.